On the right side we have Outlook folder with the emails, and on the left side we have the Excel sheet with the imported emails from the Outlook. If you want to see how did we do that, then keep watching. So welcome to Exploranza lab, and today we'll see how we can import the emails from Outlook directly into Excel sheet. So here is our Outlook, and here I've created a folder with the name of lab test, in which I have taken around about 5 emails. Over here I have converted these emails into that folder. Now to take these emails into Excel, we'll take help from another application that is known as Microsoft Access. What we'll do now is create a new Microsoft Access database, a file, and I'll name it lab test 2. I'll open the file and I'll enable content. Now I'll go to a file, blank database. Now I'll rename this database as anything whatever I want. I'll rename it to Outlook So after renaming this, I'll save it and press the create button. Now what we are going to do is we'll link this database to our Microsoft Outlook folder. To do this, we'll go to external data and new data source, and from there we'll go to from other sources, click on Outlook folder. Now what we're going to do is import the source file into the table. So we're going to do that and press OK. Now moving on, we'll get another dialog box, and here listed are all our folders and emails. Now I'll find my email, and that is E for Exploranza at Outlook, and I'll find the folder that I have to link, that is lab test, and then we'll click on next. And then keep these options as they are and move on, click on next, and then let access add primary key next, and then we will import this to the table named as lab test. We'll finish this process by clicking on finish button, and you can save it, but I don't need it for now, so I'll skip this. I'll click on close. Now what has happened over here is Access has created a link database named as table. Now I have moved on to my Excel sheet, and here we'll import the data. What we're going to do over here is move on to the data tab and go to get data from database and from Microsoft Access database, and now select the folder, select the database folder file that we just created named as Outlook import, and we'll import that over here. Now what it has done is it has opened the table links, and I will select the table that was lab test, and we'll click on load. You can see the table over here. Okay, so now when we clicked on load, whole of the table has been imported into our Excel sheet. So that was how you could import the Outlook emails into your Excel sheet. Now you can create a pivot over here, you can delete or add any columns that you want, you can hide something, you can play around with this file over here. So that was how we connected the Outlook with Excel.